to a magical place where the sun always shines and the animals are always happy to see you. Today we're going on an adventure to a place filled with laughter and fun. Can you guess where? That's right, a farm. But not just any farm, a funny farm where every day is a new adventure. Farms are homes to many amazing animals. From the clucking chickens to the mooing cows, each animal has its own special place and role on the farm. They give us yummy food like milk, eggs and vegetables, but that's not all. These animals love to play and make us smile with their silly antics. Have you ever seen a pig play hide and seek or a goat try to climb a tree? Are you ready to meet them? Let's go. We'll visit the barn where the cows are getting ready for their morning milking, and then we'll head over to the chicken coop to see if there are any fresh eggs. Don't forget to say hello to the sheep and the playful pigs along the way. This is going to be so much fun.
Say hello to Molly the moo cow. Molly is not just any ordinary cow. She is a friendly and cheerful cow who loves to make new friends. Every morning she wakes up with a big smile on her face, ready to start her day. Molly loves to eat grass all day long. She enjoys the fresh green grass in the wide open fields. The taste of the grass makes her happy, and she munches on it with great delight. Eating grass is not just a meal for Molly, it's her favorite pastime. She has a special superpower turning grass into milk. This amazing ability makes Molly very special. The milk she produces is rich and creamy, perfect for making delicious dairy products like cheese, butter and yogurt. Molly takes pride in her superpower and loves to share her milk with everyone. Fun fact, cows have best friends and can recognize each other from far away. Molly has a best friend named Daisy and they spend a lot of time together. They play, graze, and even nap side by side. Their friendship is strong and they always look out for each other. Molly is a gentle giant and loves to say moo to say hello. Her moo is warm and welcoming, making everyone feel happy and loved. So next time you hear a cow say moo, remember it might be Molly, the friendly moo cow, saying hello to you.
Here comes Harry the horse with his beautiful shiny mane. Harry is not just any ordinary horse. He has a mane that glistens in the sunlight, making him look like a majestic creature straight out of a fairy tale. Harry loves to run and play in the fields. He spends his days galloping across the meadows, feeling the wind in his mane and the soft earth beneath his hooves. It's his favorite way to stay active and enjoy the beauty of nature. Fun fact, horses sleep standing up. Yes, you heard that right. Unlike humans, horses have a unique ability to catch some Z's while standing. This helps them stay alert and ready to run if they sense any danger. Can you imagine trying that? It would be quite a challenge for us, but for Harry, it's just another part of his daily routine. He can doze off for short periods without lying down. Harry is always happy to see you and might even give you a gentle nudge with his nose. He's a friendly horse who loves making new friends. Whether you're bringing him a treat or just stopping by to say hello, Harry's warm and welcoming nature will always make you feel special.
Cluck, cluck, cluck.
That's Charlie the chicken saying hello.
Fun fact, chickens talk to their babies before they even hatch from their eggs.
Charlie lays delicious eggs for our benefit.
Thank you, Charlie.
Oink, oink, oink.
Meet Percy the pig.
Percy loves to roll in the mud to stay cool on sunny days.
Fun fact, pigs are very smart animals, even smarter than some dogs.
Percy might look messy, but he's a friendly fellow who loves to play.